So now in this video we're just going to take a quick look at using a trimpot or other potentiometer as a variable resistor. So the two pins at the end there, the top pin and the bottom pin, when you look at it this way, are the ends of a resistive element, and the middle pin is a wiper. So I'm going to stick the top pin to the orange jumper, middle pin to the gray jumper there, and it's going to an LED. Right now it's set to 0 ohms of resistance, so we got a 1 kilo ohm resistor to help protect from 5 volts right there. And you can see the current flow, and it's somewhere around 9 milliamps of current. This isn't precise, but it's pretty close. And so now I'm going to turn the trimpot. It's 10 kilo ohm trimpot, and so now we have 10,000 ohms from the trimpot plus 1,000 ohms from the resistor right there for 11,000 ohms. So it's just a variable resistor. Usually I use it as a voltage divider though, so you can use it as a variable resistor. You don't have to use it as a voltage divider. And now we have it set to 0 ohms, but that is only in relationship to this pin, pin up here I should say. So I'm going to shuffle this up. Now we'll put the wiper to the orange jumper and the resistive element down to the gray jumper, and now you can see we have the full resistance. So you can wire it that way too, to either one. You just have to pay close attention, because now you can see when we turn the dial that way, now we have full resistance, and we turn it down this way and we have no resistance right there. So in any case, pretty simple. Gonna end it there. Hope you enjoyed. Make sure you check out one of the other videos I'm posting on the screen. Click like, subscribe, the bell, all that. Donate Patreon if you can. That helps out the most. I have links down in the description. But just watching videos helps a ton. Thanks for watching them. I'll see you in the next video.